Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Autodesk Civil 3D 2022. Previously we have seen how to create and configure surface profile. In this session we will learn how to add more profiles to the profile view. Let's open the last lecture file, which was lecture number 23. Under profile we have the option to create surface profile. Here we have already created the natural terrain. Last time we did not use any sample offset. For instance, we want to add 1 and -1 meter offset to our existing natural terrain profile. This is natural terrain +1 and this is natural terrain -1. Here we have more options. We can make it dynamic or static. So let's make one as dynamic and the other static. We will give the positive as right sample profile and the negative one as left sample profile. Remember, the left sample profile is static in nature. So here you can see this is the natural terrain profile. We will go to profile view properties. Here you can see we have natural terrain -1 and +1. From here we can check or uncheck to keep or remove from existing profile. You can zoom in to see the three profiles. Now if we move towards the profile properties, let's give this one the name as axis terrain profile. Here you can see it has these anchor points. We can move them and edit. We can give this name as exit strain profile -1. For the third and the last one, we can give it the name as axis terrain profile +1. Like I said before, for the static ones, we can do the changes, like we can select it and move it. But if we make it dynamic, you will see that we don't have any manual options. Let's go to the profile and create profile from surface again. So here you can see we can add profile view. We can assign a specific name. For instance, we can write profile view axis 1, -1 and +1. Moving next, we have the option for the status range. Then we can give the profile view height. Here we can choose what to show and what we can hide, and update dynamic or static. Then we have the option for data bands. We have taken one as the natural terrain axis and the other as the positive one. Now let's place and see the result. Under the bands, you can see the difference. One is the axis and the other is axis plus 1. Now, if we go back and uncheck these two, we only have the center one. Similarly, if we want to change the bands, we can go to Profile View Properties, go to the Bands tab, and here we can select Profile 1 and Profile 2. Now you can see the difference. One is the mean and the other is negative. So we can give any profile to Profile 1 and Profile 2 in the Bands tab. Under Station, we went for automatic, but we can give a specified range. Like we want to go from 20 to 250, we get something like this. Here you can see it is from 20 to 250. Similarly for the elevations, we went for automatic height, but we can use this user specified height like 40 and then split the profile view. Now you can see the difference. We can play with it. Let's say we get 10 and we get something like this. Similarly, we can give it the value of 5 and see the result. If we don't want to give any user specified details, we can go for automatic, hit apply and OK. Let's move it from where we started earlier, like this. Now we can keep it or remove it as per our project requirements. Let's save this file as lecture number 24 as we were doing all these changes in lecture number 23. So this was all about this session. We have learned how to add profiles to the profile view. So let's call it a day. See you in another session. Till then, take care.